Hello, my name is Josh. I'm from JTAG. Today I will show you how to measure fuel pressure and to test the injectors on a 2008 Hyundai Axle. Before installing the gauge, you would be sure to remove pressure from the system. So when you remove pressure from the system, you remove the fuel pump relay right here. After you do that, then you would crank it until there's no more pressure left. Alright, so here's a fuel pump relay right here. Right here, see? Came right out. Right here. Fuel pump. Alright, after that, you relieve the pressure. Alright, so you go over here. Turn it on. Relieve the pressure. Alright, I think we're out of pressure now. Alright, so how you detach the gauge right here is you take this, plug it right into that. And there, give it a little tug, set a little piece. That's where you would attach it. Make sure there's no pressure. There's no pressure on this at all. And after that, you key on engine off pressure. And so when you do that, you make sure of course your fuel pump relay is disengaged. So you make sure you pull that out. Alright, so I'm about to have the key on engine off. You see the pressure.
You gotta fold it in half.
Go ahead.
Still gotta be able to scan onto the tag, right?
You gotta go.
You gotta cycle through it. Yeah. Alright, so we have pressure. We have about 48, 47 psi of pressure. Alright, so we're gonna do the key on engine running. Alright. So if you see, it's at 53, 52. And it stays at that one. Alright, do 2,000 RPM. Stays the same pressure. It doesn't drop, you can see right here. Good! Fuel injector tester right here. You plug in right here where your fuel injector is back there. You would test all these, but for this video, we're only gonna use one. So, right now, we gotta build some pressure up. We have no pressure at the moment. Alright, so we got about 46 pounds of pressure. And it'll drop once you hit this button right here. So about 21 right there. And after that, you test the resistance on this. And how you test resistance, you just do on the back of here. I'll show you 1 minute. Alright. So we're checking for ohms, and so far I got 4.4 ohms, 0.3.4 ohms. Checking the resistance for this injector. And so when we did this injector tester, this injector would be clogged with the one dropped. The lowest one dropped. The lowest one dropped with more like less psi. It means it'd be clogged. Anyways, so when I tested those injectors, if there was on an uneven pressure it dropped, it would indicate uneven fuel flow through each injector, and that's why we must test all injectors to see the difference and see what, like I said, which one would be the lowest, and one that has the lowest drop would be clogged or it is not probably functioning that well or probably going bad. But everything I showed you today, just follow those steps, and that's how you would know how to learn how to measure fuel pressure and also test the injectors. Just always make sure when you're measuring fuel pressure to relieve the fuel pressure from the fuel rail. So when you take it off, you don't have to worry about fuel spraying all over you or anything. So, all right, thank you. See ya.